News trading has been a massive part of this year, starting with tariff comments, even back on the 6th of January. We've had tariff comments throughout the year. We've had geopolitical risks, Israel attacking Iran, for example. We've had central bank actions from the Fed in particular. There's loads of these events that have happened this year. What I'm going to show you now is a few key concepts as to how to manage this and how to plan for these types of events. I'm going to break these down in much more detail on 26th November. Link below to come and join that free webinar. But first up, when you're trading news, one of the things is speed that matters. And one of the biggest clues you get is that trigger of seeing multiple markets move together. You take a look here, for example. This is on the EU tariffs from May. We start to see on the left, the S&P and the Euro Stoxx start to take a little bit of a dip. Now, you don't know necessarily what that's about to start with. But when you see gold and euro and treasury starting to rally, you now know that this is some kind of risk-off trade. So the clue is there straight away. You can execute before you even know what the news is. But what's key to that is not just simply going, oh, markets have moved and jumping in. You need the ability to then have a plan. Have a clear structure as to which markets you want to be in, why you're going to hold some positions longer than others. All of this I'm going to break down. I'm going to walk you through a clear preparation framework. How do you work out what to do in these types of situations? What to do on the next comment? What your scenarios are for this political risk and this risk. So it's about building up your ability to sort of foresee the potential here. The next bit as well that I'll be showing you is a framework for execution. One of the things that people worry about when you get sudden movement is, how do you get in? What's my risk? Well, we've got a framework for that, and I'm going to walk you through this. How exactly do you manage your risk in these types of events? What's the sort of mentality around it, and what should you be looking for? So I'm going to break all of this down. Ultimately, it's about having clear structure ideas. It's about right market selection. And it's about the way that you execute and the way that you manage that trade. I'll break all of this down for you on the 26th November. The aim being to get faster at trading news, to get more efficient at trading news, and to recognize where the really big opportunities are. I'll break all of that down. We'll look at some ladders, we'll look at profiles, we'll also look at footprints as well. So combining all the tools to be able to trade news. Come and join on 26th November. I'll see you there.